Yo, yo.
So here it says, how do we use water and wind? Water and wind are natural resources too. We use water to drink, cook, and clean. We use water to grow plants. We also use water for energy. We can use moving water to make electric power. This power lights and heats homes.
Oh yeah. So, water and wind are natural resources too. We use water to drink, cook, and clean. We use water to grow plants. We also use water for energy. We can use moving water to make electric power. This power lights and heats up home.
And so when the water falls this way, it falls pretty hard. So it's also making energy, when it falls like so far down.
Wait, energy? That means the energy moves water?
Yes, well, water makes energy, but it has to have a lot of force. So when it falls down very quickly or from a place that's very, very high. Okay. Alrighty, so have you ever seen a sailboat move across the water or a flag wave in the wind?
Yes.
Then you know that wind can make things move. Like water, wind can also make electric power.
I see them because we travel on the car very often.
Oh, and you see these?
Yep.
Yeah.
And I try to count those, but it wastes my eyes, and my eyes still like tears falling.
Really?
Yep, and my hand is, can't look there anymore because there's too many up there.
Wow, yeah. So so we have natural resources and we also have plant and animal resources, okay? So we're going to see what these are about.
Oh, can't wait. This is animal. Yeah. My sound. My friend.
The what?
I don't really like science, but my best friend likes science. Love science.
Oh, really?
Yep.
I think science is pretty fun. Okay, so look at this question here. It says, how do we use the wool from these sheep?
To knit a sweater. This is made up. So don't show this part. No?
Which part?
Never mind. So you don't show your actual skin and you don't get cold. Don't like that.
Right. Yeah, so to have, like clothes, to make, maybe like a sweater, a hat, gloves, anything.
Yep.
Very good. And it's actually very warm, right? So clothes from wool you usually wear during what season, do you think?
I think it's spring and fall.
Yeah, maybe winter, right? Yeah.
Maybe winter you have a wool shirt inside and have a little jacket.
Exactly. Nice and warm.
Yep, or maybe just a sweater, a very tight sweater for a beautiful girl like a model.
Right. Okay, very good, Elisa. Okay. So in this chapter, we are going to only have one vocabulary word, okay? And that vocabulary is fuel.
What's fuel?
So we'll see what fuel is, okay? But it's also a resource.
Wait, fuel resource?
Yeah, it's also a resource. But we're going to see where we can find fuel, okay? Okay.
Maybe fuel is all the resources all together.
Maybe. We're going to read about it and see, okay?
Yeah.
So, how do we use plants? Plants are some of our most important natural resources. We use plants in many ways. Things like clothes and rugs come from cotton plants. Some plants are used to make medicine. The leaves of an aloe plant contain sap. The sap helps heal scrapes and burns. We use trees to make buildings, furniture, and paper.
Plants are some of our most important natural resources. We use plants in many ways. Things like clothes, rugs come from cotton plants. Some plants are used to make medicine. The leaf of an aloe plant contains sap. The sap holds sap and burns. We use trees to make buildings, furniture, and paper.
Good.